Okay. What are we making today?
Cupcake.
Okay.
Can I crack the egg?
Yep. Pretty good. Okay.
What
Here,
color?
Let me see.
Butter. Baker.
No, what is that?
Baking powder.
Say sugar.
Yeah.
Say sugar.
Yeah.
Say sugar.
Oh, sugar.
Yes.
Butter.
What's that?
Vanilla.
Nice.
Flour. Flour.
No, that's big.
Baking powder. Making cupcakes. Get ready now.
What are you doing?
Making cakes.
What kind of cake?
Strawberry.
No, what kind of cake?
Strawberry. Cupcake.
Yes. What are you doing? Let me see your hand. You don't mix it with your head.
Yeah.
Good. Ready?
Yeah.
Set.
Is this you? Flour. Flour. Ew.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Cupcake. Daddy, can I taste my finger?
Yeah, when you're done pouring it in, okay?
Okay, let me taste. Okay, now.
How is it?
Pretty good.
Hey! All done with that. No.
Daddy have pepper.
Good.
Daddy have pepper.
There. Do they look good?
Let me take.
No, not yet. Do you want to put the whipped cream and strawberry on them?
Yes.
Okay.
That's cupcake.
What happened to this one?
Bite it.
Who bit it?
Mom.
Mama? Did you bite it too? No, we didn't decorate them yet. No. Hey, like that.
Where do you poke it?
You put your finger on it, push right there, and push hard.
Like that.
Oh, your hands.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay.
How do you do it?
Okay. Like that. Can you try?
I don't know what to do it.
Okay, then maybe lift it up. There you go. Woo! Bite it when you bite it.
Nah.
Here. Winnie, open your mouth. Ready?
Oh, Daddy.
Oop!
Ew.
Ah.
Well, put some strawberries on top of it. Here, did you want to put one right there or no? No. Oh, okay.